The KINHANK HyperSpin Attraction System 12TB HDD is designed for retro gaming enthusiasts who want a large, ready-to-use gaming collection without having to spend extensive time downloading games, setting up emulators, and manually organizing files. The main appeal of this system is its enormous storage capacity, which provides plenty of space for a wide range of classic gaming content from different eras. For users who enjoy exploring older games and revisiting nostalgic titles, having a large library available in one place can make the overall experience more convenient and enjoyable. The HyperSpin-style interface also adds a more arcade-inspired feel, with organized menus and a visual presentation that makes browsing through a large collection more engaging compared to a simple folder-based setup. One of the strongest aspects of the KINHANK HyperSpin Attraction System 12TB HDD is the amount of content and the convenience it offers. Building a similar setup independently can require significant technical knowledge, including finding compatible game files, installing different emulators, configuring controls, adjusting graphics settings, and troubleshooting issues. A pre-configured system helps reduce much of that initial effort, making it more accessible for users who want to focus mainly on playing games rather than spending hours on setup. The large storage size is also beneficial for collectors who appreciate having many gaming options available and enjoy switching between different consoles, genres, and generations. The interface experience is another important feature of this type of retro gaming system. A well-organized front-end can make a huge difference when dealing with thousands of games, as it allows users to browse categories, view game information, and quickly find something to play. The arcade-style presentation can create a more immersive feeling, especially for users who enjoy the atmosphere of classic gaming rooms. It can also be a fun addition for families, casual players, or groups of friends who want a variety of games available without needing separate consoles or cartridges. At the same time, there are some limitations that potential buyers should keep in mind. While a large preloaded collection sounds appealing, having thousands of games does not automatically guarantee that every title will work perfectly. Different systems have different emulation requirements, and performance may depend on the computer specifications, operating system, controller compatibility, and emulator settings. Some games may require adjustments, and users who expect a completely effortless experience may still need to perform occasional troubleshooting or customization.